In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to export your Wufoo data to an Excel spreadsheet. Whether you're managing responses from a survey, collecting registration data, or just need to organize your information better, exporting to Excel can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in and see how you can achieve this with just a few simple steps. First, what you're going to do is navigate to Wufoo's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in wufoo.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. Make sure you have your credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your forms and entries. Once you're logged into Wufoo, the next thing you're going to do is click on the Forms tab. You'll find this option in the navigation menu, and it's essentially the heart of your Wufoo data. This is where all your forms are stored, and you can choose which form you want to work with from here. Now that you're in the Forms section, go ahead and select the form from which you want to export data. Click on the form's name to open it up. Once you've selected the form, you'll need to look for the Entries option. Click on Entries to view all the data that's been collected through this particular form. With the Entries page open, you have the option to select specific entries that you want to export. You can do this by simply checking the boxes next to the entries you're interested in. If you want to export all the entries, you can select them all at once. It's a great feature if you're dealing with a large amount of data and want to narrow down to only what is necessary. After you've made your selection, look for the Download Entries button and click on it. This button is usually prominent on the Entries page, making it easy to find. Clicking this will bring up a few different format options for downloading your data. Finally, you'll see an option to download your entries as an Excel file. Click on Excel, and Wufoo will begin the process of exporting your data. Depending on the size of your dataset, this might take a few moments, so be patient. Once it's ready, the Excel file will be available in your Downloads folder. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Wufoo data to an Excel spreadsheet. This method can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're looking to analyze or share your data further. Excel offers a variety of tools to help you manipulate and visualize your data, making it an invaluable resource for anyone managing information collected through Wufoo forms. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes handling your data a little bit easier. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.